Crazy Chef. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vibe. So we're gonna make mac and cheese balls that's gonna make your roommate, family member wanna steal them. So first we're gonna make a cheese sauce, and to make our cheese sauce we're gonna bring our milk almost to a boil, and then we're gonna add some extra sharp cheddar cheese. So as soon as we add our extra sharp cheddar cheese, we're gonna give that a little whisk and hit that subscribe button if you want to subscribe to more videos from this channel. So we whisk our extra sharp cheddar cheese, whisk that out. Then we're gonna add some regular shredded cheddar cheese, and that regular shredded cheddar cheese is gonna give you that stretchiness, it's gonna give you that vibe. So do me a favor, you see that like button right there? Just hit that like button. Hit that like button if you want to support the channel. So we add our shredded cheddar cheese, and for thickness of this cheese sauce, we're not using roux, we're not using a thickening agent, we're using powdered cheese sauce. So just the same thing you would get from like a pack with mac and cheese. So we're gonna use that to thicken our cheese sauce. So we mix that in, and then we're gonna add our noodles. So we're gonna add our elbows, and then we're gonna mix that with a spatula, not a whisk. Oh, secret ingredient. Forgot that. So the secret ingredient for this is Cheez-Its. So we take like a cup of Cheez-Its and we smash them, and then we add that in. So we've added our secret ingredient, and now we're adding our pasta. So take our whisk out, and we're gonna whisk that. We're gonna take a spatula, we're gonna whisk that in, and we're gonna put it to cool in our refrigerator. So we're gonna cool it down for like 45 minutes. Then we're gonna make it into balls. Whoops, I said it. So we're gonna make it into small balls, and we're gonna do the thing. So let's put it in our thing, put it in our cooler, and then we'll come back. Now we take a regular ice cream scoop and we make small balls. We're making mac and cheese balls. So do it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All our balls are ready, and then we're gonna take some egg mixture. So we're gonna make an egg wash, 3 eggs, some milk. We're gonna get some regular flour and some panko breadcrumbs. And we're gonna just do flour first, then egg, then panko. Flour first, then egg, then panko. So we put them in the flour, bing bing bing, and then we're gonna do egg wash, then we're gonna do panko. Egg wash, panko, that's how we do it. Something exactly like that. flour first, then we put it in our egg wash, roll it in our panko, and we get our nice beautiful balls. And then we're gonna fry them golden brown, and then we're gonna get into the vibe. So you hit that like button, and mac and cheese ball hit that hot oil. In we go. Oh, nice. So not too hot. So we bring, usually when we're frying stuff, we bring it, get it hot, then we turn it down a little bit because we don't want it to burn. So mac and cheese balls in, hot oil. Swirl them around a little bit, swirl them around a little bit, and it's good to use like a fork, give it a nice little vibe, flip them over, and don't say anything, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Swirl them around a little bit, and here we go. Nice mac and cheese. Doesn't get better than that. Look how crispy those looks. Look how light and crispy. So, Crazy Chef, Crazy Creative Kitchen. Subscribe to the vibe. Hit that like button, and voila. That's our mac and cheese bites. So juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside. You want to hide it from the people in your house. They're so good. Follow the recipe, and hit me up in the comment section if you want any questions. And as always, tune into the vibe, subscribe to the vibe, stay tuned, hit that like button. Crazy Chef.